everyone, I'm back, and this time I'm doing a special Christmas video featuring YESSTYLE. So this video is sponsored by them. I was lucky enough to be part of their Secret Santa program. So my Secret Santa was Mart Acosta, and she chose the minimal and chic set for me. I also had a Secret Santa that I gave to as well. So yeah, I'm super excited. So these are the packages that I received from her with the help of YESSTYLE. So I'm just gonna open this one by one to show you what I got and to try them out. So the first top seems to be a sort of jumper from them, I think. It's like this really cute jumper. And if you guys don't know, Christmas or the end of the year is like my favorite part of the year. For me personally, I just feel like everyone's just so much happier and like helpful and grateful, and everyone's just so much generous, and it just like, and all the Christmas songs, like who can forget like Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas and Michael Bublé. Like it's just really just like a really special and great time of the year. Just get together and just everyone gets happy. So oh, okay, I think I got a really cute cream sweater from them, and it has, what does it have in it? It says hello Okinawa Anna. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess I would definitely match this with a cute tennis skirt or maybe some straight jeans. Oh, this is so cute, and the inside is so fluffy. Look, oh my god, it's made of this like fleece-like material. And it's so soft, and like look at the print. It's so cute. So there was about 5 sets that you could give out. I think one of them was minimal and chic. The other one is like kind of like this really like strong like hipster kind of style. Another one was like kawaii and pastels. So yeah, and minimal and chic really matches me since I'm all about that minimalism now. But yeah, this is so cute and so soft. So that's the first thing that came up. Okay, the second thing that got up is, I think it's this tote bag. It's really cute. So how do I open this? So it's this tote bag, and it says woman on it. Oh my god, it's very cute, very minimal. I actually seen this around. It has a zip. Oh my god, it has a zip. The little things make me happy. It's got a zip and a little pocket in it. Definitely very mature look. I'm gonna be very happy wearing this out in the city and such. I've seen this one around. I was actually contemplating on like getting this, so I'm really happy I got this actually. Because like, you know what, you can never have enough tote bags. So this is very mature and sophisticated. So I'm really happy about this, and plus the zip. Oh, chef's kiss. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and I got this black bucket hat, which I actually really need. I bought a bucket hat, but I actually lost it. So I think my brother has it. So I'm really grateful I got another one. So this is perfect just in time for the summer here down under. So I am really happy about this. And it's actually really good material. So I'm really glad about this. Okay, what's up? I got these other things. I'm not sure if it's makeup or jewelry, but let's be opening it up for you guys. Oh. Okay, let's see what it actually is. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, what is it? Okay, so first up, oh my god, it's stationery. First up is this stationery set. So it's these irregular stickers, and they're all in this kind of like fall kind of colors, fall earthy colors. Oh my god, okay, I'm opening this up. I want to see what kind of stickers there are. I think they seem to be dots, but I'm seeing some lines from them. So the color is in salt. Oh, okay, it's more of these muted colors. So these are the circle colors, and they have one circle and they got lines. Oh my god, so I'm definitely going to be using this for journaling. So you can never have enough stickers. Oh my god, I cannot say that enough. You can never have enough stickers. Oh, I also did get some jewelry. So I got this earring set. So what does it look like? What does this look like? Oh, is it earring set or is it rings? Oh my god, it's rings. Oh my god, it's rings. Okay, so this is the set. You can't exactly see it. So one of them is like this, and there's one that's a square, and another one that's a hexagon, and a more irregular shaped shape. I just don't know. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I actually wanted to buy rings for the longest time, but I didn't want to buy just in case that they were not my size. But I'm actually so happy about this. Oh my gosh. Actually, this is the best Secret Santa present ever. Okay, so I got some rings. Oh my gosh. And you know what? I'm gonna wear them right now, because why the hell not? Okay, let's see. Oh, this is a bit tight here. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, put this. Okay, so this is what they look like. I'm not sure if you can see it though. I think this one I can put here. Oh, this is actually quite big. Maybe I can put this here actually. So this is what it looks like. Looks real pretty actually. So yeah. And I also got, I think it's a necklace. Oh, it's a snake pendant necklace. This is something I'm excited about. So this is what it looks like. You know what, I'm going to try this right now actually. I'm excited. Okay, so this necklace actually looks so good on me. Wow. Wow. I actually really like snakes. I'm not really afraid of them. I'm more afraid of spiders, so I'm kind of excited. Wow, I've never owned anything snake-like in terms of jewelry or in terms of clothes, so I actually really like this. Not to mention my rings, which I really like as well. So it's really good. I feel like this is more of, yeah, very like minimal and chic, but kind of like trendy as well. So that's the jewelry. I also got these two sets. Oh, okay. So I got this charming jasmine fresh floral perfume. I actually really like the smell of jasmine. So this is by the Korean brand Apple. I'm so sorry. This will look like very minimal design. Let me see what it smells like, because I actually really like the smell of jasmine. I want to see what it... Okay, let's see. Oh wow. This is more floral than I thought. Oh, I mean jasmine is a floral flower, but it's really floral but really nice. It's a nice nice scent but not too strong, which I really like. Oh, so I really like this actually. Wow, this is going to be going to my purse when I go out. So it smells so good actually. And I got this lipstick from 3CE, one of my fave brands, and it's in number 909 Smoked Rose. So I'm actually hoping I do not have this shade, because I do have two other lipsticks. So let's open this up and see what kind of shade it is. I will actually cry if it turns out that I actually have the same shade, but that's okay. I don't think I do. I don't think I do have this shade. It looks more darker than what I usually have. So I'm gonna put this. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's such a pretty shade. I'm just gonna compare my other 3C colors to make sure I don't have the same shade. Do not have the same shade, so I'm really excited to be trying this out. So this is going to be one of my colors I'm gonna wear most often because it's such a pretty shade, and I could probably put this on my face right now just to see what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing and trying out these things for you, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, hi everyone, this is my outfit with all the things that YESSTYLE gave me. Yep, so you can all see it. So ring is here. Yeah. My sweater, my really soft sweater, the tote bag, and yeah, so that's my outfit. Doesn't that look really cute? And my hat, of course, at the very top. But yeah, that's my very cute fit. And of course, how can I forget the really cute Smoky Rose lipstick that YESSTYLE gave me. Smoky Rose 909, and my cute hat. So there it is.